How to fix Epic Game Launcher error code AS-1041. For this first step, open up Task Manager and search for Epic Game Launcher. It's running in background or not. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Search it and end the task. After that, close it. Next step, search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Epic Game Launcher folder and click saved folder and delete the web cache folder inside the saved folder. Close it and come to next step. Allow Epic Launcher through firewall. For this, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall and click change settings. Scroll down and search for Epic Game Launcher. Make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application itself not having means you need to click allow another app and click browse. Go to C drive. In this click program files, Epic Games, Launcher, Engine, Binary, Win64. You can get the application. Click the Epic Game Launcher application. Click add. I already have so I skip it. You need to click add and make sure you should enable in both private and public. Enable it and click OK. After that close it and come to next step. Open up this PC. Make sure your C drive have enough memory space. Right click it and click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. Centrally scanning the C drive. Once scanning complete after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. After that close it. The last and final step. Open up the right click the Epic Game Launcher. Click properties. Click compatibility and make sure run the program as administrator should be enabled. Click apply and OK. After completing all the steps, restart your device. Thank you.